Has been called one of the toughest immigration laws in the U.S. Good evening, everyone. I'm Trent Butler.
And I'm Sherry Jackson. This week, Alabama's HB 56 lost some of its bite. After 2 years of litigation, Alabama's reached a settlement to permanently remove some of the toughest portions of that law. CBS 42's Tiffany Westry's in the newsroom with what this settlement means for immigrants in Alabama. Tiffany?
Some of the most controversial parts of Alabama's immigration law, like the requirement for public schools to check on the immigration status of students, are off the table for good.
The state of Alabama has settled in court to challenges from several interest groups over the toughest parts of HB 56.
One thing it means is that parents don't need to fear sending their kids to school, and teachers don't have to worry about being immigration officers.
That's because the section requiring teachers to check the status of students upon enrollment is no more. Immigration attorney Jeremy Love says the status of one person can affect the entire family.
And so you have U.S. citizen children that are worried that their father or mother is not going to come home from work that day because they're worried that immigration, that ICE is going to pick them up.
And some sections of the law had churches and business owners worried as well, until now. Provisions which made it a crime for the undocumented to solicit work and that made it illegal to give an undocumented person a ride have also been eliminated. The settlement also affects law enforcement.
The state has decided that they don't believe that law enforcement really have jurisdiction to get into immigration issues with folks that they might stop and detain, which is really huge because, we need to keep federal immigration law at the federal level.
Isabel Rubio with the Hispanic Interest Coalition says their next step is to push for comprehensive immigration reform nationally.
And Governor Bentley's office says that the essence of Alabama's immigration law is that if you live or work in Alabama, you should do so legally, and that hasn't changed. Live in the